guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about this little green machine. I am obsessed with this machine. This machine has literally become almost as amazing as my Dyson. So it's a little steam cleaner, and what I love about it is that it's super light. It's transportable, so you could carry it all around, upstairs, downstairs, that kind of thing, and it's great for little messes. So if you have kids, animals, any kind of thing like that, for little messes like this little machine is amazing. I got it on Amazon for $109. I will actually link it in my Amazon store. It'll be under house products. But like I said, this is so easy to use. You just fill up this side with the water and the soap that you want to use. It does come with some soap when you purchase it. And then after you're done cleaning it, it has like this side with the water from what you clean. You can use it on upholstery, carpet, anything like that. So I have a little dog, Sasha. Everyone knows Sasha. And she's getting older, unfortunately. And so sometimes she's having like little accidents and she will throw up on my sofa. And the only way to actually get it clean is I use my little green machine, and it literally cleans up everything. And it's great for Cairo's little messes as well. So I'm gonna show you how it works. Super simple. You just turn on the button. It has a sprayer here, so you're gonna spray. You can see the water's coming out. And then once you spray it on the area that is affected, you kind of water's coming in through here. That's all you do. It's so easy. It cleans up the mess. Like I said, it is upholstery safe. And then once you do that, you just lift up this little thing, clean out the water that's dirty in here like this, dump it out, rinse it out, and you are done. Wrap this back up. It's easy to store. Like I said, it's lightweight, and that's my little green machine, and everybody needs this. You will be so happy you bought this. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone is living just fancier.